Hello, this is Darin Martineau. In this video, I'm going to talk about my brand new product. It's called New Money Miracles Volume 2, and this has got some really incredible money magic on here. You're going to learn over 108 amazing new uh, money magic routines and classic routines. This includes 8 instructional videos and 1 ebook. You're going to learn my new bank night comedy routine, which is hilarious. I have a new dollar flight routine, which is absolutely awesome. It's a borrowed bill and a matrix with envelopes type of routine with the finale of a borrowed bill uh, to a sealed envelope. Very strong effect. So you're gonna learn that the new dollar flight routine. You're gonna learn so that's the bill and envelope. You're gonna learn the bill serial numbers prediction, which is a combination of a card routine and a mentalism piece. You're going to learn bill production and or vanish from a purse frame. You're going to learn the bill change. I teach the Roger Klaus, one of my mentors. I teach the correct way to do the bill change. One of my original effects called the shrinking dollar bill is on here. Um, bill to rubber check. A lot of comedy pieces. A signed bill to your wallet, which was held onto the spectator before the trick began, before you borrowed the bill and it was signed. A trick called Fast Eddie Smith, which is a trick from Scotty York, which he learned from Larry West. It's a really powerful routine. I'll have some demos on here. My original new Voodoo Bill routine is on here, and then I include as a bonus the Money Magic ebook by Gene Hugard, which is over 100 money magic tricks and techniques and ideas. So we'll see you on the inside.